Hey, my name is Cody. I am a digital presenter for the PartsIPS. Today, I am going to talk about GE Main Control Board TL Washer part #WH22X35597. The GE Main Control Board TL Washer part #WH22X35597 is a replacement part for General Electric washing machines. It is the main control board for the washer and is responsible for controlling all of the functions of the machine. The board contains a number of components, including a processor, memory, relays, and other circuitry. It is responsible for controlling the operation of the washer, including the water level, temperature settings, spin speed, and other settings. The board also monitors the operation of the washer and can detect any problems that this part fixes the following symptoms. The main control board in a washing machine is responsible for controlling the various functions of the machine, such as water level, temperature, spin speed, and cycle selection. If any of these functions are not working properly, it could be due to a faulty main control board. Symptoms that may indicate a faulty main control board include the washer not starting or stopping mid-cycle, water not filling or draining properly, excessive noise during operation, and error codes displayed on the control panel. Here is how you install this part. 1. Unplug the washer from the wall outlet. 2. Remove the screws from the back panel of the washer and remove it. 3. Disconnect the wiring harness from the old control board and remove it. 4. Install the new control board in place of the old one, making sure to reconnect all wiring harnesses correctly. 5. Secure the new control board with screws and replace the back panel of the washer. 6. Plug in the washer and test it to make sure it is working properly. You can buy this part from www.partsips.com. Click on product link in video description or search with part number on www.partsips.com.
Visit www.partsips.com to order residential appliance parts.